the Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 7, Laser Beam Safety.
Well, it's 6 years since I bought my first laser machine, and we're at a point now in this short series where we're going to talk about laser safety. Now remember, I said I've been using these machines for 6 years. Am I dead? Am I blind? I know I'm ugly and grey and fat and old, but hey, that's just something that God has given me. It's not self-inflicted. I want to talk today about the safety aspects of this laser machine, and particularly the laser beam itself. Now, I have another series running which documents my 6 years of learning with this machine. It's a bit like watching grass grow, so it's not for the faint-hearted, and it's called RDWorks Learning Lab. Just recently I did a video about laser safety, and so I'm not going to bother to remake that video. So what we're going to do now is let my cardboard clone take you through the next part of this safety session.